What's up everyone, quick update on the 2.5. I picked up a Mk6 header for about 40 bucks from a guy named Caleb Morris. He's in the 2.5 classifieds and the Facebook group and all that stuff. Anyways, yeah, I'm putting it on right now. I already have all the top bolts out. All I need to do is get this one out right here and this one out right here. I've already done the bottom ones too, but the bottom ones, all the threads came out with them unfortunately, but since the bolts are so seasoned and rusted to them, I'll probably be able to just thread it back in and it won't be a problem. Low life sucks. I have to take off my bumper every single time I want to go onto ramps or anything. But yeah, this was my makeshift downpipe for the time being until I got a flex pipe back for my actual downpipe over here. Story short, the flames and the two-step from the watt box, they eat up the flex pipe, especially if you don't have good engine mounts. So yeah, all that extra movement really tears it up. That paired with the crazy hard booms and the flames and the temperatures, yeah, it all just doesn't mix, bro, honestly. I heard in the Facebook group that it's an issue that the Mk6 header has this protruding edge, this protruding inside pipe, so it comes out. And they say that it won't mate up to the Mk5 downpipe flange, but honestly, there's enough diameter, there's enough clearance inside of it, so whenever you put it on, that paired with the gasket, I mean, there's a tiny bit of room, but I really don't think it's going to be an issue at all, especially whenever it's sandwiched together and clamped down. So I'm not sure. I'll see how it goes though. It's going to be better than the Mk5 header for sure. These old cars are so dirty on the bottom, like, Jesus. It is so hot out here in Texas right now. It is about 100 degrees almost, and I am feeling it. But yeah, I'm up in my engine bay, all crisscrossed and stuff, trying to get this shit done, so let's get it. Alrighty, y'all, I'm on the last bolt of the header, the one right up here. After that, it'll be fully off. Another reason why I was getting a Mk6 header is because I only have one thread left. All the other ones are either broken or gone. I had to fit little bolts up in there, like this right here. And like, I mean, they worked, but it just was to get me by for the time being, you know what I mean? But yeah. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh, okay. Yeah, that works too. Shit. What? Okay, hold on. All right, side-by-side comparison from the Mk5 header to the Mk6 header. I noticed my runners in my original exhaust manifold are destroyed. They are destroyed and they're loose. Not really sure what that's about, but probably from watt box. I really don't know, honestly, but yeah, those runners are destroyed. All right, I have the new one just sitting back here, just literally just resting there. I'm about to put that one in, we'll go from there. All right, we got the header officially on. Alrighty, header is officially in. For right now, until I get a flex pipe bolted in, I have it clamped. Don't make fun of me, it works. But I mean, yeah, all in all, just for the sound alone, I feel like that was worth it. If you have a Mk5 and you're thinking about upgrading to the Mk6 header, don't hesitate. It's actually pretty worth it. You definitely lose a little bit of off-the-line torque, but I think it replaces it with mid-range and top-end power. So, you know, you win some and you lose some. Beggars can't be choosers. I mean, it's whatever. I think all in all, it was worth it. And it definitely added some power. I'd say no more than 10 horsepower, probably. Realistically, less. But, you know. But yeah, that's really about it. I've been kind of running out of ideas for YouTube and all that. That's why I haven't been uploading a lot. But I don't know. I hope that this video helps people and it'll be informative to y'all.